Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads on your Hyundai Santa Fe. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate protective gear. Begin by parking your vehicle on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Then, loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to work on, but do not remove them yet. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a smooth and safe brake pad replacement. Now let's get to removing those worn-out brake pads. After safely lifting your Santa Fe and removing the wheel, you will see the brake caliper. Locate the 2 caliper guide pin bolts, which are typically 14 millimeters. Use a socket wrench to remove these bolts. Once they are out, gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor. Remember, never let the caliper hang by the brake hose. Use a bungee cord or wire to support it from the suspension. Then, simply slide the old brake pads out of the caliper bracket. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly with a wire brush and brake cleaner, then apply a thin layer of brake grease to the sliding contact points. Install the new brake pads, ensuring the wear indicator is on the inboard side and at the bottom. Next, use a C-clamp or a brake caliper compressor tool to gently push the caliper piston back into its housing. Finally, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Then reinstall and tighten the 2 guide pin bolts to 20 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel, threading all 5 lug nuts by hand to prevent cross-threading. Then, using your torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 79 foot-pounds. Once the wheel is secure, carefully lower your Hyundai Santa Fe to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor. Finally, take a cautious test drive at low speeds in a safe area, listening for any unusual noises and confirming effective braking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.